Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing all three of my Ipsy bags and boxes for the month of May. I do these every month here on my channel. I love doing all three of them together just to compare and see what we got in one video. So I'm really excited. I did see some sneak peeks and so far it looks really good. Let's go ahead and dig in. We'll go from smallest to biggest, starting with the regular Ipsy. This one is $12 a month. So with Ipsy, they usually include a cute bag in all their subscriptions, and I really like this one for May. It kind of reminds me of like a sunset or a sunrise with this ombre light blush pink to gold. It's super pretty. I think it's very fitting for the start of summer, and it has the little Ipsy logo here. The first thing in my box that was loose in the bag is actually this brush here from the brand F.A.R.A.H brushes. This one is a really pretty light pink metallic brush. It's called the Blender Brush 25EL. It actually looks really nice. I do like F.A.R.A.H brushes. I feel like they're pretty good. And I love when I can get it in my like small Ipsy bag because I feel like it's a really great value. This one looks like it would be a perfect brush for like a darker outer corner color. So pretty happy with that. We also got, this is actually really exciting. This is from YENSA, and I really love YENSA. It is a branch off of Purehales, and they make amazing skincare, and YENSA also has a couple makeup products too, and I'm pretty sure this is fairly new. It's their BC Concealer, which is BB plus CC Full Coverage Concealer. I love their, I think it's the BC Cream Foundation. It's amazing, has so much glow. It's beautiful on the skin. So I've been really excited about this and been wanting to try it. I have the shade Light Neutral. You can kind of see where the indentation is. It's not all the way full, but it's supposed to be a full coverage concealer in a creaseless formula. Really excited about that. We also got, this is also a fairly new product too, which is pretty cool. It's from First Aid Beauty. Their PHARMA line. It's the Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. I actually have this and I really like it in the full size. So I'm excited to have a little sample that I can use as well because I do like this product. But I'm loving that in this bag. It seems like we're getting some like newer releases, which is so fun to be able to try the products out before you buy. And then we also got a little the balm product. It's the AUTOBALM Pick Perf Shadows on the Go. So it must be from one of their AUTOBALM palettes. In St. Charles is the color. It is a nice matte brown. I don't tend to use these singles very much though, because usually I like to use palettes that already have these kind of shades in them, but I feel like that is a decent size as well for the little bag. And then last but not least, we have from Tarte. This is also another new product. What the heck? This is their Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask. Wow, that's really cool to get this. And strawberry jelly. I almost bought one of these too when Tarte was having a sale, so I'm really excited to be able to try this out. I'll try not to use too much because it is a smaller size and I got a little too much out, but this is kind of what it looks like. It says it is a lip mask. I'm wondering if you could use it just like for the daytime too to have a little bit of a tint. And it smells amazing. I can't tell if it's supposed to be like a strawberry scent, but it's extremely fruity and it feels really good as well. So very excited. That's everything in my little Ipsy. Honestly, that was a really great bag. I'm pretty excited about all the products and I think they did a really good job this month. Next, we'll unbox the Glam Bag Plus. This one is $25 a month, so similar to like a BoxyCharm base box. So the first thing, I think this is what I picked out. I was so excited to see that Tarte had their Sugar Rush line in a subscription box. I believe their stuff is also getting in a BoxyCharm too, which is so cool. So this is kind of a branch off of Tarte. It's geared a little bit more towards the younger crowd with the fun packaging, and it is a little bit cheaper. They do have this line at Ulta, I believe, but I'm a sucker for cute packaging, even if it is childish. I think it's adorable, and I love just like having really cute packaged products. So these are the A+ brush set from Tarte. Oh, that's so cute. They're like little pencils with the little brush as the eraser. That's adorable. So we have the Goal Getter brush, which is just a normal creased brush here. We also have the Write Your Story, which is a nice just like lid brush, like a flat shader. And then we have a more pointed one you could use for under the lash line called Stay Sharp, or like in the outer corner as well for more detailed work. I feel like these are the perfect brushes to have. Just like these are what I use for my everyday looks. So I'm pretty happy with that. Next from Tarte, we also got a TARTEIST lip paint, really exciting, in the shade Choker. The TARTEIST lip paints I haven't heard for such a long time. I feel like that when they released, everyone was all about it, but now people don't really talk about them. But I really do like the formula. It is a more dry formula, so keep that in mind. But this is a really fun color because it's kind of like that 90s kind of brown vibe. And I think that's also why they called it choker too, because the chokers were big in the 90s. But this is the shade. It's very unique and fun, definitely more brown tone than I normally wear for nudes, but I think it would be nice to just add it to my collection. I like pretty much all neutral shades, so pretty excited that they have that as a product this month. Let's go into the bag. It's very actually similar to that other one. It's just a little different shape, and this one has the blue to gold ombre on it, and then it has a little tassel. So kind of a similar size. Okay, so the next product, this is by the brand MASKY. And it's their AFTERMASK vitamin serum. Wow, that's really interesting. So an AFTERMASK serum. I've never heard of anything like that. So I think that's kind of cool because sometimes I feel like when I'm trying out a new mask, maybe my face will be a bit sensitive and maybe this will kind of help it out and calm it down a bit. I just put a little bit on my hand and it doesn't have any fragrance, which is good. And it does kind of feel like a really nice gel, very calming to the skin. So this could be kind of interesting. I've never heard of that brand before. Okay, so next I got something from the brand Beauty For Real. And this is their High Def Defining Volumizing Mascara. I have not tried something from this brand in so long. I used to love their eyeliners and I used to talk about them all the time back in the day. This is what the mascara looks like. And I'll just go ahead and show you the brush too. I'll try to use it. This is actually a really tiny brush. Like, this is going to be for precise mascara for sure. It doesn't say much about it on the packaging, but yeah, since that brush is so small, it could be nice just to really get in there and lengthen the lashes. And then the last thing in my Glam Bag Plus is from NOMAD, which is pretty cool. I feel like a lot of people have been talking about this. Maybe they sell their stuff at Ulta. It's possible. But this is the Sydney Bathers Kiss of Sun palette exclusive for Ipsy. This actually looks really pretty. Here's the inside. There is 2 highlighters and also 2 bronzers. But one of the bronzers has a shimmer to it. These are a very soft formula. And I think I would definitely use like this first highlight and then the bronzer for sure in this palette. I'm not sure about the more golden tone ones. Maybe I could try them out and see. But yeah, they actually swatch really nice and they feel good. So I feel like this is going to be pretty good quality. I'm actually excited to try this out. So that was everything in my Glam Bag Plus. Another, I would say, a pretty great month for Ipsy. I feel like Ipsy is killing it right now. But let's go ahead and get into the big one. This is the $50 Glam Bag Ultimate, and it is packed full of stuff. Let's see what we got. First up, we have our bag. This is a bigger bag. Usually they include a bigger size, and this one is a burgundy to gold fade as well. Alright, so I have some extras in here because I bought some like stuff with my points. If you guys save up your Ipsy points from reviewing your bags, you can redeem them for full-size products. So this is not part of the actual box, but they did throw these in here, I guess. So the IT Cosmetics Confidence and a Cleanser full size I was able to redeem for points, which is pretty cool. I think it was like 1,800 points or something like that. And this is like a $30 cleanser. And then I also redeemed for this Berry Burst. If you refer a friend, you got to redeem for this, which is so cool. This is Violet Voss, so a really good quality makeup brand. And I think that was also like 1,800 points or something like that. I'll just do a quick little overview since these aren't actually part of the box. This is what the Berry Burst palette looks like. It's beautiful. It almost reminds me of Anastasia Modern Renaissance. So I'm really excited to play with that. I think, oh yes, and then I also redeemed for this because you guys know I love You to the People cleanser, and they had a little mini size for like 100 points. It's the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Cleanser. I love this. I've never had to buy a full size yet because I keep getting little minis, but I'm probably going to run out soon. Okay, I think that is all of my little point gifts. Now we'll get into the actual bag products. So first off, I'm going to start with the most exciting thing in here. We have a full-size product, I believe full-size, from Sunday Riley. I was so shocked to see this when I was doing my choice for the month, and some people even got the Good Genes. I did not get Good Genes, but I did get the Micro Dissolve Cleansing Oil, and I think this is actually a newer product. I have never seen it before until the Ipsy bag. So we know Sunday Riley is expensive. That stuff is not cheap, so it's really cool to get that in the Ipsy bag. So I love different cleansing oils. You guys know I always do a two-step cleansing routine with an oil and a cleanser at all times, so I go through cleansing oils so fast. I'm always loving to try new ones. This is a wash off. I don't know if the vitamin C benefits will really do much though, since their C.E.O. line, I believe, is usually a vitamin C line. It does have a light scent to it as well. Okay, next up we have here from the brand DERMEDICINE, and it's their weightless face moisturizer with SPF 25. It has sage leaf, grape stem cells, green tea, and vitamin E. I have heard that grape stem cells are good for the skin, and then vitamin E is always good, and green tea. So I'm actually very curious about this. I feel like ingredients wise this looks pretty good. And I'm always looking to try different sunscreens, so I'll definitely try this out and see. Let me know if you guys are familiar with this brand. We also got something from the brand St. Tropica. This is the Beach Goddess Hot Oil Hair Mask. Wow, I've never done like a hot oil mask before. I know it's really good for very dry hair. I'm not sure how it would be for mine since I do have more, I don't know, oily hair. It says with this, you're supposed to get 3 full uses, so you're supposed to use a lot, and you do put this in the microwave and then apply to hair and scalp. Very interesting. Maybe I will try this out and see what it does. Okay, we also got something from Tarte, again, the Sugar Rush line. This is their Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cupcake. How cute! I'm so excited to receive this in the Ipsy bag and try out. Oh, this is adorable. I've really wanted to try these liquid lipsticks from them. I've seen them at Ulta and they look so nice. And this color though is perfect. It's a beautiful nude and it has almost a mousse formula. And these literally smell like cake. Oh my gosh. So next I actually got this Smashbox palette. I've actually had this before. I picked one up at TJ Maxx, but I do think it's cool that they did put it in the Ipsy this month. This is the Cover Shot ABLAZE eye palette. Maybe I'll do a little giveaway for you guys here at the end. But this is what it looks like, so you guys can see. Really pretty shades, very neutral, warm tones. But yeah, I've tried this before. It's okay. I'm not a big fan of the Cover Shot formula compared to all my other eyeshadows, but it's not like a bad palette by any means. It's just a nice kind of neutral palette, and it kind of has this fun packaging on it. We also got, this is cool, from Huda Beauty. I've never tried her highlighter palettes, but this is the 3D highlighter palette. Let's see what shade. Pink Sands Edition. Oh wow, this looks really nice. I feel like this would work for my skin tone. I've heard pretty decent things about this. They did come out a while ago, so I feel like they're not as popular, but they look really pretty. Let me go ahead and swatch. Oh, they have a cream formula too. The Capri shade is a cream. Alright, so here's the shades of the Huda palette. I'm really excited because I feel like all these shades will pretty much work for my skin tone. It just have some lighter colors. There was 1 cream and then 3 powders, and they felt really soft. I'm actually really excited to try this out on the face and finally try one of Huda's highlighters. I'm so excited about that. This is such a good box. This next product is by the brand PUREHEALS, I believe, by Nature Village. This is the Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. I personally don't do a lot of peel-off masks myself, so I might go ahead and put this one in the giveaway. But it says that it's going to help remove impurities and smooth the skin's texture. I'll show you guys, it looks like this as well. We also got this from the brand Sundays. And this is, it looks like, what is this? I'm not sure. Let's open it. Maybe a perfume. Oh, it's a nail polish. That's really pretty. It's kind of like what I have on now, but I love these like pale pinks. So we got a nail polish in here. It says it's 10-free, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. Love that color. We also got this from the brand Beauty Project, I think. And this is their Glaze #1 Lip Oil in Candy Apple. This has really fun packaging. It almost reminds me of like Tower 28 in a way, but it has like the bright neon kind of stuff on it. But lip oils are so popular right now. Oh my gosh, that literally smells like green apple. Yum. That is so good. That's what it looks like. Very sheer. I'm so excited to try this. I've never heard of this brand, but it looks like very intriguing. You guys will have to let me know if you've tried anything from them, but it does say they are free from mineral oil, synthetic fragrance, silicone, sulfates, parabens, phthalates, all the bad stuff basically. Really cool. Okay, so we also got a eyeliner. Honestly, I'm so tired of getting eyeliners. I get them so much and I just never use them. This is the waterproof eyeliner from the brand TATTOED. I think this is a mini size. Or I guess it's by SKONE, but it's called TATTOED. Insanely intense, it says. I did get a perfume. This is from, oh goodness, I don't even know how I'm going to pronounce this, so we're just going to say it's called She Was an Anomaly, and I'm guessing it's an orange kind of scent. This one is a sample size. So the Glam Bag Ultimate usually has a lot of full-size products, but then it also adds some samples in. It's kind of like a mixture of the Glam Bag Plus and the Glam Bag, the regular one, but it does have mostly full-size. Usually only like 3 small ones. This kind of smells good. It has a powdery dry down. It's very light, but it actually smells really good. And then I also got this from Invigorating Hand and Body Lotion. Does it have a brand? I'm not sure. It's Sweet Orange and Elemi. I have no idea. I might try that. And then lastly, I have something from Nature Lab Tokyo, which I actually really enjoy their hair care. They make some great stuff. So this is their Repair Treatment Mask. I've tried this before and it's really good, and I've been needing hair masks like crazy. I've been going through so many. I've already gone through 2 this whole quarantine. This smells really good. But yeah, I've tried the smoothing shampoo, I believe, from them, and I really like their brand. They make some great stuff. So that's just a little sample size. That's everything I got in my Ipsy Ultimate. I would say it's pretty good. We got like 3 to 4 like really well-known brands and then a couple new ones, so I'm really excited to try everything. I feel like this was one of the best months Ipsy has had. I'm actually really pleased with all my boxes and the brands. I love getting Tarte, and we got Tarte in like each box, which was so cool. And then the Sunday Riley, the Huda Beauty, the Smashbox. I'm excited. So I do want to do a little giveaway for you guys. I am going to be giving away the Smashbox ABLAZE palette from the Cover Shot line, and also the PUREHEALS Pore Black Charcoal Mask. And then I'm throwing in an extra product I have as well, which is this one from DERMEDICINE, their Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. So one of you guys will be winning these 3 items. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and also leave a comment down below what your favorite item was that you saw in this video. And I will be choosing a winner 2 weeks from today. You can leave your Instagram handle in the comment, as it's much easier for me to contact you that way, and I'll insert the winner in the description box once it's been picked. So go ahead and enter for that. Love giving back to you guys. I'm gonna just keep trying to throw in some random giveaways in my videos here, and I have a big one coming up. Do I want to post it next week? Possibly, maybe, we'll see. That is it for today's video. I'm so impressed with this month's Ipsy. If you guys want to sign up for Ipsy, I have the link down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Colorblind, yeah.